let's just see how we solve for y here. Okay, distributive property. 4 times negative 3y is a negative 12y plus 20 minus 5y equals 3. Okay, a negative 12y and a negative 5y, that's going to be a negative 17y plus 20 equals 3. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We're going to subtract 20 from each side. So negative 17y equals a negative 17, right? So obviously y has to equal 1. Did you get that right? All right, perfect. Now, if you know what y is, what can you do? We can substitute it in over here, right? All right, push pause and see if you can do that on your own. All right, so here we go. Do it. X equals negative 3. Y comes out of the game. Plus 5. Wow, how about that? 5. Okay, well, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Plus 5. Okay, remember to put it in the proper order. X, Y. Answer 2, 1. I think we've gotten that answer before already. That's okay. 2 different problems, still cross at the spot. 2, 1. All right, how'd you do? That's the idea. If you can do that, you can do this whole assignment. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to give you some practice problems, right? The thing is, I'm going to give you the problem. Here we go. 3x plus 3y equals negative 3, and y equals negative 5x minus 17. All right, but guess what? Bam! Right there's the answer. Okay, if you get it right, perfect. Just go on to, just kind of fast forward to the next problem. If you can't get that problem, then, but I want you to do this on your own, okay? But if you can't get it, then just push play again, and I'll solve it for you. Okay, so you write down the problem, do it yourself. See if you can get that answer without me. If you can't get this answer without me, then watch here in just a minute. I'll do it for you. All right, so here we go. Here's my naked variable. I underline it. Circle. Did you guys do that? I bet you half you didn't do that. Do it every time. Okay, here we go. 3x plus 3, y comes out of the game, big fat parentheses, equals negative 3. Okay. Well, if y comes out of the game, what it's equal to has to go in. Negative 5x minus 17. Okay. That's our big goal. We're going to learn that today. Tomorrow we'll learn something new. Here we go. 3x plus negative 15x minus, 17 times 3 is a negative 51, I hope. Somebody better check me on that. 17 times 3, yeah, it's 51. Okay. Negative 51, okay, here we go. Negative 12x minus 51 equals a negative 3. Okay, add 51 to both sides. Negative 12x equals, I'm going to add 51. That's going to be a positive 48. X equals negative 4. So what I do, I just divide by negative 12, right? Hopefully you guys all have that. So here we go. We know what x is. So we say y equals negative 5. Take x out of the game. Put what it equals in. Negative 4 minus 17. Okay. Negative 5 times negative 4. Positive 20, right? Minus 17. Y equals 3. 1 point for x, 1 point for y, 1 point for reporting the answer properly. -4, 3. Bam. Okay, here's problem number 2. 4x minus 3y equals 18, and y equals -2. There's your answer. See if you can solve it without my help. Push pause, try to do the whole thing without me. If you don't get it, you can push play again and I'll help you get there. Okay, so the thing that's interesting about this, we already have our naked variable. Whoa, and guess what? It's already solved for. That's nice. It makes life really easy. So I underlined my naked variable, circled what it was equal to. Here we go. 4x minus 3 times the quantity, -2, equals 18. Y came out of the game, -2 went into its place. All right, here we go. 4x plus 6 equals 18. Subtract 6 from each side. 4x equals 12. Divide by 4, x equals 3. We know what x is. We know what y is. What's our answer? 3, -2. Okay, now folks, if I'm going too fast, it's okay because you can always push pause. All right? And if there is something that you're not understanding, I'll tell you a way that you can get a hold of me. All right, here we go. Practice problem number 3. Y equals 5x minus 7 and -3x minus 2y equals -12. There's your answer, 2, 3. Okay, did you get the answer? Well, here's how you should have done it if you didn't get it. Here's y, double underline, circle. Hopefully I'm getting that through your heads. Found my naked variable, circled what it's equal. Here we go. -3x minus 2. Take y out of the game. Big fat parentheses. Equals -12. Okay, I'm starting to go faster and faster because I want you to kind of have it. I want you to start, you should be starting to put this together. Okay, here we go. 5x minus 7. Distributive property. -3x minus 10x plus 14 equals -12. Okay, -3x and a -10x is a -13x plus 14 equals -12. Subtract 14 from each side. Be careful here, right? Negative plus a negative is a negative, so I have -13x equals a -26. Therefore, x must equal 2. Nice. Okay, easy enough. Y equals 5. Pull x out of the game. We substitute. Remember that word? I should probably be using it more. Substitute in. Okay. Y equals 10 minus 7. Y equals 3. Bam. Answer 2, 3. Starting to flow a little bit? Hope so. All right, here we go. Problem number 4. X minus 4y equals 6. And then over here we have x equals -5y minus 21. There's your answer. Get it this time, no help. All right, here we go. So here's our naked variable, x this time, huh? A little different. Circle what it's equal. Uh-oh, interesting. Okay, I'm going to take x out of the game. Parentheses, minus 4y equals 6. X comes out of the game. What goes into its spot? -5y minus 21. All right, now, don't let the parentheses really bug you here. It's not that big of a deal. This is not distributive property, okay? This is a minus sign. So, really there is nothing to distribute. Technically there's a 1 here, but that's not going to do anything. So now, combine things that are alike. Here's a -5y and a -4y. That gives me -9y minus 21 equals 6. Add 21 to both sides. Negative 9y equals 27. Y equals negative 3. I know I'm going a little bit faster, but you guys can do this. Okay, here we go. X equals negative 5. Take y out of the game. What goes in? A negative 3 minus 21. Okay? So then x equals 15. Negative times a negative makes it a positive. Minus 21. X equals negative 6. Answer? Negative 6, negative 3. Okay, as you know, we try to get anywhere between 8 and 10 problems done every day, right? So we did 3 examples. You did 4 problems with me. That's 7, okay? Now we have 2 left. There's number 5. I'm not gonna go over this one. I want you to be able to get that answer on your own. And number 6. Now, there's something interesting about number 6. I'm not necessarily gonna comment on it. There's something interesting. It's different than all the others, but this is actually where we're gonna start tomorrow. But I would love it if you could get number 6 done on your own, okay? If you can't get 6 done on your own, if you can't see what you need to do first, then don't call me. It's not that big of a deal. This is where we're gonna start tomorrow. But if you can see what needs to be done to get number 6 started, I will also tell you there's a ton of videos out there that would tell you exactly what needs to be done. If you want to look up those videos, you can. But this is actually exactly the kind of problem that we're going to start on tomorrow. So there's 5 and 6, and that's all I have for today. All right. Hope today's lesson was pretty easy. The one thing I want you guys to know is, hey, you can call me anytime between 8 and noon today, okay? Parents, don't get into don't worry about it, okay? We're going to all do our best. Just, if you have questions, give me a call. I'm going to be available. I'm going to be at school between 8 and noon. Call me. I'll be right by my desk. We'll go over stuff. I can FaceTime. I can answer questions over the phone, whatever. Let's just do our best. If we find better ways, if you guys have suggestions, I know I can make a better video. I'm learning this stuff. So hopefully my videos get better, a little bit more creative. Hopefully we start having a little bit of fun. I know that wasn't the greatest, funnest video ever. Okay. My phone number, 406-651-9072. That's probably the best way to get a hold of me. You can also private message me through your Google Classroom. Give me feedback, peeps. Let me know what I can do to make this better. Besides being a better video editor, I'm learning that. Okay. Hey, we're all learning stuff, right? And that's kind of fun. I've learned a lot in these last few days, so maybe I'll get better at actually doing some of this video stuff. Okay, hang in there. I love you guys. Enjoy the process. Bye.